This is a section through the ventricles of the heart displaying left ventricular hypertrophy. Hypertrophy of the left ventricle is seen in response to increased workload due to hypertension or aortic stenosis. Initially, there is myocyte hypertrophy, which increases the weight and size of the heart. With time, the ventricle stiffens and diastolic filling is impaired. As a consequence, the left atrium may enlarge, resulting in atrial fibrillation. Grossly, the left ventricle shows concentric thickening. This particular specimen has a wall thickness in excess of 3.5 centimeters. In comparison, normal heart has a thickness of 0.6 to 1 centimeter. For comparison, I don't have a normal heart, but here is a myocardial infarction. And you can see that this heart is also thicker than 0.6 to 1 centimeter. But I want to use this to illustrate the concentric hypertrophy here, so you can see that the actual space is much reduced. And you can imagine that during diastole, this thickened wall would not relax appropriately. The weight of the heart in left ventricular hypertrophy may surpass 500 grams, in contrast to the 300 grams of a normal heart. Histologically, myocyte enlargement becomes apparent, often with interstitial fibrosis.